So Talk Home have set me a challenge, and that challenge is to win minutes for my bundle.
What noise does a mouse make?
What?
At school, right, when you were kids, you all jumped into a pile.
What? Bundle?
Yeah!
What? What? Are you okay?
All of this sort of situation we've been going through recently becomes very, very tiresome. Can't really explain it all to you.
A bit like this telephone.
Heaven's gone and heaven's here, there's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream.
I'm a burning effigy of everything you used to be.
So come on, let me. Yes, Dad! Amazing.